Hello, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz. I come from Nickelodeon and I would love you to join our cast, but first I'll give you this presentation so you decide. So, what is it about us? We are a Latin American television channel aimed at children and adolescents. We broadcast animated series, young comedies like SpongeBob, Rugrats. I don't know if any of you have seen them, I hope so. Okay, a little bit of our history. In 1992, we started broadcast in United States, and in 1996, it started in Latin America. In 1999, our first website was launched, and in 2006, Nick at Night was out from 10 p.m. till 6 a.m. Then in 2008, Nickers, a live-action blog, came out. And in 2010, Nickelodeon changed its logo. We've changed it a lot of times, I know, but this was one of them. In 2015, Nick at Night unfortunately went out of transmission. And at last, in 2020, we completed and renewed our website. Okay, so now our mission is to provide fun to young audiences, a time where they can relax, be creative, and forget about their problems. Our values are education, kindness, respect, healthy fun, and raise awareness. So, the main thing about this is for you to join the cast of Nickelodeon's Hotels and Resorts from Riviera Maya. As you can see, the resort is all about Nickelodeon's characters, especially SpongeBob. We have a lot of common areas where people can relax, maybe eat something, communicate with each other. You can have your breakfast with a Nickelodeon character, and we have 21 slides and a lot of pools where people have fun. What you have to do is stop being shy, like to dance a lot, and to give our people a good time and a lot of fun. For you to join us is so easy. You just have to give us your curriculum and write your name in a list that I will give you, and we will contact you to make you an audition. Okay, so I hope you like it and have a lot of fun.